We're excited to show you a live demo of our product, AutoDQ, an end-to-end data quality accelerator designed to help organizations manage and improve data quality seamlessly inside their existing data environments. With that, let's dive into the demo. The tool is built on Streamlit, and all of the interactions you'll see take place directly in this interface. On the left-hand side, there's a dashboard with multiple views that we navigate top-down. At the top of the screen is the architecture diagram. The tool follows the medallion architecture with all three layers, bronze, silver, and gold, ensuring a structured and scalable data quality framework. This layered approach enables smooth progression from raw data to clean data and finally to business-ready insights. From here, let's move to the Settings tab. The tool runs in Google Cloud, Azure, or AWS. For today's demo, we're using Google Cloud with a Databricks SQL connection. Here, we'll select the schema called Multi-Table Logistics. The tool scans the schema and lists all available tables. And for this demo, we are going to pick a few tables. So now what is happening is it's doing a quick preview of the selected tables. These are all the different tables we can see right now, along with their columns and data types. Once the tables are generated and confirmed, we simply click Generate Rules, which triggers a Databricks job, and the rules are updated in real time. Once that's done, we'll click View Rule Metadata Table. The tool automatically infers data quality rules from a library of over 200 distinct algorithms, built on top of Great Expectations. Under the hood, we leverage Great Expectations, an open-source technology for best practice validation, and extend it with our own rule library. The rules are grouped across key data quality dimensions: validity, accuracy, completeness, uniqueness, and consistency. You can see on screen the generated rules, including the table and column each applies to, the description, and the associated SQL expressions. With the rules in place, let's open the validation dashboard. In this demo run, the system scanned about 20,028 records across 10 tables, executed 32 rules, and produced both pass and fail results. We intentionally placed higher failure rates in the demo dataset to show how the tool identifies and reports issues. From this dashboard, you can drill down by table, by rule, by metric, or by status. For example, you might filter for failed rules and then identify by your chosen metric and so on. The rules you've seen so far are technical rules, which are all automatically generated checks that run out of the box. But AutoDQ can also take care of business rules. To do this, we use the Smart Rule Assistant, where rules can be created in plain English. For example, I type, "Check if email name is missing." The tool automatically infers the right table and column, generates the SQL, runs the validation, and shows results, where it passes and where it fails. I accept the rule, and it's added to the job. Next, I create, freight item weight must not exceed 1 kilogram. The tool runs this against the data set, identifies the correct column, and flags 5,903 failing rows. It also shows this row level, including fail.row ID and fail.row value, so each issue can be traced precisely. Once these user-generated rules are added, the dashboard updates in real time. For example, the total number of scanned records might increase from 20,000 to 25,000. You can also filter by user-generated rules as a metric. If you want more control, you can explicitly specify a table and column in your prompt, and the tool will create the rule exactly as requested. After that, let's move to the Data Intelligence Hub. Here, the tool can automatically generate Databricks cleansing jobs. At present, it supports regular expression-based fixes, for example, normalizing email formats. This capability is evolving to handle broader categories of automated corrections. To see how rules are distributed, the coverage view shows a heat map of rules across tables and columns. For example, you might see that the Carrier D column has 16 rules across multiple tables. This gives you full visibility into coverage and highlights where rules are missing. It's helpful and replaces the work of someone having to manually go through each table, and instead can just easily check all the frequencies of columns across the tables. To ensure no issues are missed, the alert feed allows you to configure notifications when rules fail. Alerts can be sent through channels like Slack or email, ensuring issues are caught in real time. This ensures that any failed checks and incidents are accidentally ignored and forgotten about, and will also be able to provide reminders to your team that it needs to be addressed. And finally, we come to the Action Tracker, a built-in mini Jira or DevOps board. Every failed rule can be opened as an item, assigned to a data owner, tracked and closed once resolved. This provides end-to-end accountability within the same tool. In summary, AutoDQ brings everything together as a complete end-to-end data quality accelerator that ensures trust in your data. It helps organizations detect issues, validate data using AI, and visualize results through built-in dashboards. The platform automatically generates rules using Great Expectations enhanced with large language models, covering all major data quality dimensions. With features like the Validation Dashboard, Smart Rule Assistant, and Data Intelligence Hub, users can perform real-time checks, create business rules in plain English, and even automate cleansing. Finally, the Coverage Matrix, Alerts, and Action Tracker provide full visibility and accountability to ensure data issues are tracked and resolved efficiently. With AutoDQ, managing data quality becomes seamless, automated, and reliable, giving you complete trust in your data. Thank you for watching.